I'm presently taking care in complex situation. It is 62-year-old female, presented with pain over right knee and leg since 2-3 months. She was having difficulty in walking since last 2-3 months. She was also in pain over left knee, and she refused to undergo surgery 3-4 years ago due to the fear of surgical failure, or she might not be able to walk. But since last 2-3 months she had a pain. That's why she visited me, and she was having diabetes mellitus since last 11 years. On presentation, uh, she had deformed knees bilaterally with varus and flexion deformity bilaterally more on the left side. She had right knee tenderness over the right knee and right leg with abnormal mobility at proximal right leg, and movement range was 15 to 95 degree. Left knee more tenderness on medial and posterior aspect, and left knee range of movement of 25 to 80 degrees. She didn't have any distal neurovascular deficit. A pre-op X-ray shows bilateral varus deformities with osteoarthritic changes with stress fracture at the proximal tibia on right side, with fracture on the with depression or bone loss on the left medial side. Lateral X-rays, right knee shows tricompartmental osteoarthritis with stress fracture which is ununited, and right knee, left knee there is a posteromedial defect. X-ray findings. One was on right side, there was two options to do TKR with extensor tibial rod, and second was fixation with plate and screws, then TKR. First option was chosen for early recovery and weight bearing, and stage-wise procedure was planned. First to do right side, then to do left side after 1 to 2 months. And left side, it was decided to do TKR with bone graft or wedge with tibial extension rod. Right side was done first. These are the post-op X-rays. Right side, tibial extension stem was used, and it was nicely fitting. The post-op rehabilitation, she was put on knee brace after 3-4 days remobilization, passively CPM, and uh, it was non-weight bearing. She was put on antiplatelet. Then after around 5 weeks, left side was operated. There were bone graft was put on the posteromedial aspect. It was fixed with the screws, and tibial extension rod was also used as her bones were very weak. There was lateral exercise, post-operative rehabilitation after left side surgery. Uh, Mobilization was started passively initially. Then after 5th day, walking was started with the help of walker and knee brace. Walker after 3 weeks without braces, full weight bearing started with the walker. Range of movement was 0 to 120 after 3 weeks. Walker continued till next 2 months. After that, these are the exercises after 3 months after the second surgery. The fracture on the right side is uniting well. The lateral exercise, which shows good union and good stability. Walking after 5 months after the surgery. In this complex situation, TKR is a good option with supplementary system. It gives confidence to patient that enables early mobilization and weight bearing, and proper planning and regulation bring future patients out of fear of this surgery. Thank you.